Hi, and welcome to my vlog. My name is Madisakaba. For those of you who do not know me, I'm actually at the end of today, which was a hiking day. I am tired. I'm so exhausted. I went hiking with my buddies over there. And yeah, I had forgotten to film this intro, so I'm doing it now. But you're about to check out what we went through. We're supposed to do 10Ks, but it didn't go that way. I think we did 7 or 8, which is not too bad. But I am exhausted and we're going home now. And yeah, do like, subscribe, comment, and all of that nice stuff. And this is what happened today. Say hi, guys.
Hi. I'm gonna be famous. I'm in the blog.
Wow, okay, that's a lot. This is it, guys. COVID Hunger Games, strongest immune system to the finish line. We are officially in lockdown level 3, and by we I mean South Africa. And for those of you who are watching from outside South Africa, the South African government has instituted a lockdown or quarantine which began on March 26 in an attempt to curb the spread of the coronavirus. A 5-level approach to easing lockdown restrictions was introduced, which started at level 5, which had the most stringent restrictions because it was basically a time of high virus spread and low healthcare system readiness, and it's gradually tapering off to level 1, which will signify moderate virus spread and high healthcare readiness. Whether we should be in level 3 though, given the rising COVID stats, is debatable, but I am grateful that level 3, which started on the 1st of June, has brought some welcome changes, including the partial opening of the tourism industry, which is how Tando, Bonola, Aubrey and I were able to take this hiking trip. Nang.
My friend in good hospital cave.
I'm being the idiot who's shaking the bridge, because I mean there's always someone who needs to. You're coming. Don't fall.
That's scary. Let's go. We're going up. Waiting for what is it? Beautiful view. Yeah. Oh, Bragan Shanyas. He keeps on jumping on the bridge. He's such a fool, bruh. You keep on jumping on the bridge.
The meaning of this mask
that was left over here.
You told
The way I'm judging people leaving their masks on trees, whereas mine ain't any better. It's sitting at the top of my bun. Because wow, yeah, when we're going uphill, even having it around my neck, it felt like a noose. So yeah, here, look, glue to my edges. But anyway, andimhle guys. You?
This was my second time hiking the Hennops Trail. The initial plan for the day was to hike the trail at the Walter Sisulu Botanical Gardens, but it was closed when we got there, so Hennops became the easy second choice because it's relatively close by. It's pretty much 30 k's from either Pretoria or Johannesburg. And for 80 Rand a pop, which is just over $4, you can hike one of the 3 trails: the Darcy Trail, which is 2.5 kilometers, the Zebra Trail, which is 5 kilometers, and the Crocodile Berg Trail, which is 10 k's and which is the one that we hiked. They also offer a trail for mountain biking and off-roading, as well as accommodation and picnic and braai facilities, which are currently closed during level 3. They say you're only as fast as your slowest teammate, which in this case was me. I was constantly lagging behind, but I gave myself an A for effort, and I was determined to finish the 10k even though we didn't.
You guys, yeah, hey, kunzima. Umuntu is unfit.
You stuck.
Yeah, like I'm funny next.
Oh, we just.
Kulo mkhathalo ongaka.
At this point, Tando started intently studying the map, looking for the next escape route. She was so over it. So the escape routes basically allow you to take a shortcut through the trail. To be fair though, we had started the hike about 3 hours late because of unforeseen circumstances, and that basically started affecting other plans that had already been made for the day, and Sis had somewhere to be. The escape route we took was at more or less the 6k mark, but it was another 2.5k before we made it back to the car.
Tando, how are you feeling? I'm so long I'm fucking tired. I was not too good.
My mouth has left.
In what? Savannah?
Shortcuts are dead cuts. This place.
This stopped being cute a very long time ago. I feel like I look like a whale at this point. A shiny whale. I don't know how to justify it though, but I feel.
And a few meters later, and we had come to the end of the trail, and we were done. I know cabin fever is hitting us hard, but if you are going to hike or travel or enjoy any of the many tourism amenities that our beautiful country has on offer, please do so safely. Keeping a mask on during a hike is quite difficult, and I tried my best, which admittedly wasn't good enough. And I hope you'll have better success in doing so, and that I'll also do better in future. Also, please social distance as much as possible. Carry and use your sanitizer, wear sunscreen, stay hydrated, and if at all possible, stay at home. Once again, thank you for watching and welcome to all my new subbies. And if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe, comment, and like. And I will check you on the next one.